Guys, in the online, we will do questions from the test practice for today. Page 208. Questions 1, 4, 5, 6, and on page 209, we will do questions 7, 9, 10, and 11. So open your copybox and start solve this question. Yeah. Yes, Mr. موجودين. Let's start with the question 1. We are in question 1, page 208. Let's read the question together. Which is the graph of, given the graph f of x, the function equal f of x equal negative x power 2, negative 2x plus 3. First of all, A is negative, right? Means the parabola opens downward. Means exclude C and D. So exclude C and D because both are open upward. I want parabolas open downward. But what is the y-intercept here? 3. Where is the graph with y-intercept 3? A or B? In B, we have 1, 2, 3. In A also, we have 1, 2, and 3, right? Both. Yani both A and B, the y-intercept how much? 3, right? Why B exactly or why A exactly? How we will know? Yes. Huh? From the, what's the vertex? Yeah, let's find the vertex. A is negative 1, B is negative 2, and C is 3. Now we have two choices, A or B, and both have the y-intercept 3. B is negative 2, sorry. Okay. Now to determine, let's find the vertex. X equal minus B over 2A. Minus B means 2 over 2 by minus 1 equal minus 1. So the vertex will be at x equal minus 1, right? Part B, the vertex at x equal 1. But in part A, the vertex at x equal minus 1. So no need to continue. خلاص, you can find enough information to know the graph, right? So here part A is the correct solution. Okay? Done with question 1? Done? Your hand, please. Yes.
Question 2. I didn't understand.
I didn't select the question 2.
And question 4.
Question 4. The graph of f of x equal x power 2 minus x minus 6 is shown in front of you, right? Find the solutions of this equation, x power 2 minus x minus 6 equals 0. What are the solutions? Remember? What we call them in the graph? In the graph, what we call them? X-intercepts, right? So what are the x-intercepts in the graph of question 4? I cannot see really. Negative 2 and 3. Select negative 2 and 3. Yeah, because you have two intercepts. Yes, Ibrahim. Read the question. The question wants you to choose which one of these is the graph of this one. Which one? Not B, it's A. Because we select the x-intercept, we found it in -1. هاي الفيرتكس here at 1, here الفيرتكس at -1. So part A is the correct solution. Select A, not B. Okay? But after question 1, we have question 4, which Mr. here asked me about it. So in question 4, the x-intercepts are the roots or the solutions of the equation which is given x power 2 minus x minus 6 equal what? 0. طب assume that we don't have the graph. Solve it. Solve it. Factoring, quadratic formula, b to the square, whatever. X will be what? -2 and x equal 3, which are selections C and E. C and E, the correct solutions. Okay? Done? But why they gave me the graph? They want me or they want us to use the graph. No need to solve it. The graph قدامك, the x-intercepts are clear. Done? Question 5. Question 5. Okay? Question 5. What we have in question 5? Square root of -9 multiply square root of -49, right? Remember the complex numbers? Yeah, square root of -9 multiply square root of -49. Square root of -9, how much? 3i, right? I 3i. Multiply square root of -49, 7i. 3 multiply 7, 21i to the power, and I power 2 equal -1. Check. So here I power 2 هذه is -1. 21 multiply -1, -21, which is part C. Don't just select the answer, guys. Write the steps, please. Don't just select the answer. Please write the steps so you know how we get the answer. This is the important thing. Okay, guys? Yes. No, you watch the video later and copy. Any question 4? What I wrote? Question 5, guys, write the steps, okay? Question 6. Selected, right? Question 6 selected. See question 6. Take a look on question 6. Let's read it together. Mr. Don't talk without raising your hand, please. Now, every complex number can be written in the form a plus bi. We know that, right? I, we call it imaginary number. A plus bi, we call it complex number, okay? But for the complex number 8 minus 4i, identify the values of a and b. Easy one. Question 6. What's the complex number given? 8 minus 4i. A will be 8 and b will be -4, not 4. Bas. Okay. What? Why didn't write the steps here and here? What you are doing? How? Did you write it in your book? In your copy book? Good. It's okay. Yeah. Question 6. This is the complex number, the formula. A plus bi, right? ايش ال A هنا؟ وايش ال B هنا؟ not 4. ال B بدي. Not 4. هي -4. So A is A to be -4 بس. Okay? Huh? We find the vertex, so you can determine which graph will be part A or part B, right? Revise, go to the lesson which we found the vertex and see what we did, right? Huh? I don't know. Go back to the lessons and revise the lesson of finding the vertex. صح؟ خدناه يا زياد. We find x of symmetry, then we substitute in the function, right? No, I cannot, mister. I have work. Yeah, question 7. Don't talk without raising your hand. Question 7. Question 7. Solve 4x power 2 minus 64 equal 8x minus 4 by, they want it by factoring. Yeah, I'll solve it there. Solve question 7. Solve 4x power 2 minus 64 equal 8x minus 4. 8x minus 4. First step, make it on the standard form. Make it, yani shift all of this here. So it will be 4x power 2 minus 64 minus 8x minus plus 4 equal, combine the like terms, right? 4x power 2 minus 8x. Now minus 64 plus 4 minus 60 equal. Can you get rid of the 4? Can you? Yes, you can. Divide by 4. Huh? Right? If you didn't divide by 4, you will get into A and C, remember? Which is make it difficult a little bit. But here, this will be x power 2 minus 2x minus 15. Remember this form? If this negative, we said we have down plus and different signs. So give me two numbers. If you multiply them, you get 15. If you subtract them, you get 2. 5 and 3 equal 0. X, 5, 3. We said the negative or any sign here goes to the bigger, right? And the other sign will be opposite. If you factorize easily, you can find the roots. X minus 5 equals 0. So x equal 5. And x plus 3 equals 0. X equals minus 3. Easy? Easy? Because you have a smart teacher. Don't forget that. Ah, by the way. Copy question 7, please. Copy question 7. خلوها كلها اونلاين. Enough? Enough? Copy this question. It's important, please. Copy it. Copy the steps. You will go to other way, which is very difficult for you. Okay, so we said that always, if you can get rid of A, get rid of A. If you cannot, you have another ways, quadratic formula or completing the square. Okay, but if you can, maybe you can factorize it, so you can solve it easily. Done. Question 4, question 7, sorry. Yes, yeah, Zaid.
Mr. احنا ما بنقدر can't use any way like not plus
Yes, you can choose any way, but the question, if you read it, the question said solve by factoring. But if I
yes.
said for you solve the following equation, you can choose any way.
Can use
Okay?
any way. Yes, okay.
Copy, please. Copy the steps, guys. In general, guys, in general, the quadratic equations, if you can get rid of A, get rid of A. Okay? It will be more easy for you. Go. Done. Yeah. After question 7, we have 9. Solve by completing the square. Yeah. Let's remember it together. Question 9. Solve x power 2 plus 24x plus 150 x power 2 plus 24x plus 150 equal what? 0 by completing the square. Okay, now focus with me to remember together. In completing the square, we said a should be 1, should be مش عكيفها يعني. Okay, is a 1? Yes. If it's not, divide on it, even you have decimal, even you have decimal. Okay, now then we check if this completes perfect square or no. The half of 24 power 2, but we have, so it is not perfect square, right? We check two things. After that, a is 1, it is not the half of this power 2 equal this, so it is not perfect square. Now you can start your steps of completing the square. Okay, yeah. Yeah, here our step x power 2 plus 24x, this 150 shifted there, right? Remember, now the half of b, what's b? 24. The half of b, 24 power 2. ركز, the half of b, 24, the half of it, 12 power 2, add it here and there, right? Yeah, sorry, x power 2 plus 24x, the half of b, 12 power 2, 144 here and here also. Don't forget to add in both sides. If you didn't add in both sides, it is not equal anymore, right? Now come back here. Now here you can -6. How do you simplify? Normal. Now this side to the left side, focus with it. Half of it 24 power 2. It is, we call it perfect square. How we do it now? You can factorize. Look, x plus 12, x plus 12, which is x plus 12 power equal. If you get this, then you are okay. Plus something power 2 equal number, then this thing equal plus minus square root of that number, right? Yeah. So x plus 12 equal plus minus square root of -6 means plus minus I square root of 6, right? We drag I outside, right? Done. Now shift the 12 there. X will be plus minus I square root of 6 minus, how many solutions here? 2 solutions. positive I square root of 6 minus 12 or negative I square root of 6 minus 12. Done? This is question 9. Do it by steps, please. Yes. I didn't. 24 divided by 2, the half. نص يعني. كم? 12 power 2, 12 power 2, 144. We add it here and there. Now here, the answer is negative 6, normal. But here, factorize it. Two numbers, if you multiply them, 144. If you add them, 24. 12 and 12. So x plus 12, x plus 12. In completing the square, the two parentheses here should be the same. So you can combine them to be what? Something to the power. We want this. This is step, see it? We want it. هذه أهم وحدة. If you get this, you are done. So what's inside equal plus minus the square root, then you can finish your answer quickly. Done? Huh? Square root probability? Yeah. But this idea, this we call it square root probability. Anything power 2 equal number, this thing is plus minus square root of number. Let's finish it. Done? Yeah, copy this question. It's very important, please. I will pause recording. Question 10. In question 10, we need to solve, use the square root probability to solve x power 2 minus 16 equals 0. X power 2 minus 16 equals 0. The question wants us to use the square root probability, right? And if you remember, I told you in the equation, if you have only x power 2 and a number without x, you can use square root probability. Just find the value of x, then use plus minus the square root. So here x power 2 shifted there equal what? X power 2 equals 16, x equal plus minus square root of 16 plus minus 4. But can we solve it in factoring? Yes. X minus 4 and x plus 4. Minus 4 multiply 4, negative 16. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. No b, right? But no need for it. What? 8 plus 8, 16. Did you copy question 7, Ibrahim? Question 7, did you copy it? When? Which question هذا? Question 7 or 9, right? 9. طب حط. طب ماشي اوكي. What? أشوف أنت بتفكر بالموضوع لسه. طيب question 11. Question 11. In question 11, they want us to use the square root probability to find the solutions of hello, x power 2 plus 10x plus 25 equals what? Use the square root probability. Here, x power 2 is ready, right? So I want something here like this. Half of 10 power 2, 25, right? Again, half of 10, 5 power 2, factorize it. X plus 5, x plus 5 equal 81. Means x plus 5 all power 2 equal 81. Got it? Continue now, normal. X plus 5 equal plus minus square root of 81 means plus minus 9. X plus 5, sorry. Yeah. Now x equal plus minus 9 minus what? I shift the 5, right? Take it مرة positive, مرة negative. X equal plus 9 minus 5 equal 4. Or x equal minus 9 minus 5 equal minus 14. These are the two solutions. Okay. Done question 11. We are done with the selections, right? Right? That's all for today. Study these questions very well. Thank you.